Good morning, week 30 of the Gullwing project, and it's a cold one this morning. That's why I got my little hat on, need to put the heating on. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than normal because the car's not with us, as you know, it's down with Ben at Colab. We've got the doors, the bonnet, the boot here, so we're going to be continuing working on them. But while we're doing that, I had a meeting on Monday with Ben to try to get down some of the things that I needed, some of the things that were in my head that I wanted him to recreate and do on the Gullwing. So you'll see why the car's down there. And we had a really good meeting on Monday, so that was really good. What we're going to do today, I'm going down to see Ben because I had a little chat with him a couple of minutes ago on the phone. So I'm going to go down and see him and see some of the progress that he's done. So he wants to chat with me and see how it's working out and see if he's on the right page. And Alex is going to go down to see Shane at STG, and he's going to go pick up the grill for the Gullwings. Shane's been welding the lights in, so I only tack welded them into the grill. So Alex is going to go pick them up, and then once we've done that, we'll come back and we'll see sort of what time we've got and what we can get on with. First, before we start, here you go, mate.
Thank you.
Proper present for you for when we come. So what we're doing, me and Ben. Turn it around that way so you can see us. So what we're going to be doing is obviously we're collaborating with each other, and we are going to be. Ben's going to be fabricating some bumpers for me. Now, the original Gullwing bumpers. What do you think?
Yeah, too big, bulky, aren't they?
Yeah,
they don't look right.
No, they don't look right at all. They're just too big. They're not for the style of the car that we're looking for. So what we want to do is, let's say we've got a bit of paper here. So what we're going to do is, the idea that I'm thinking of for the front, excuse my crap drawing. I never took art.
Mine ain't much better.
Right, so I want to sort of follow the line of the body around the front, and then sort of drop down like that, and around the mouth of the car. Does that work? Yeah. So follow it around like that, and then come underneath the mouth like that as well. So it'll go around like that. Don't know if that makes any sense.
Yeah. Like in a three-piece.
In a three-piece, maybe I don't need to put a V in that or whatever, but that.
Follow body line.
Yeah, follow up body line round underneath the light. So, and then that's the mouth, and obviously you got your lights up there. Sort of follow it around that way. I don't know if.
Just looks like a photo of that.
Perfect. Yeah, I think Mr. Benz would be proud of that. And then on the rear, what I'm thinking is we follow it round, but you know the Jaggy type, they
had two-piece bumpers, didn't they?
Yeah, they had a two-piece bumper. So thinking of coming round again with that, following the body, and then again dropping off at the bottom like that. If that's my shit design, but
yeah, I get you. So
yeah, you draw it.
mine ain't much better. So thinking your back end is like that. Back end of the car, innit? So
Yeah.
you've got your lights in either corner.
Yeah.
So bring them round like that. Then drop them down underneath the car.
Yeah.
So they like drop on the side right there.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah, something like that. That's right. Yeah. And then, so when you're looking at the back as well. So if you were looking just at it from the back, you'd see them sort of come down like round the corner like that, and then just drop down.
Uh-huh.
Whether we put a number plate recess in or not, I don't know. I'm doing something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Right.
Yes.
Right. So that's what we'll have a go at doing that. 5-minute job.
Yeah. 4 minutes.
Well, what I was thinking of, obviously, I don't want them too big neither. I don't want them So like say the Mercedes Gullwing ones are really, really fat as
Yeah,
well.
they're
So I
big.
try to keep them quite slimline.
Yeah, sleek. Just
Right.
just a little
Okay.
accent.
Cool. All right. Well, I'll leave it with you.
Mhm.
I'll keep coming back if that's all right, mate.
Yeah, yeah, sounds.
You can check on it.
Cool.
Right. Cool. So yeah, looking forward to this.
It's gonna be good.
Right, back at Collab with Ben and the crew, and they've already started making a start on the car already. So started making it. All right, Ben.
Now then.
So is this the is this your template for the bumper?
Yeah, that's it. That's my book.
Yeah, all right once it's chromed.
Yeah, yeah. Just chrome that up there. Stick that up.
That's actually that's what we're talking about, though, isn't it? Sort of.
Yeah, so that'll
Right.
give you
That's good. Yeah.
an angle at the angle. And that'll sit up there.
Like that.
Then
Yeah, that's cool. Is that, mate?
this other piece will come out from there
Yeah.
and back. Then replicate other side. There's a bit of fiberglass work to do
Yeah.
on the other side to match it up, but
Spot on, is that?
Yeah.
What about the? Oh, so this is. Are you made a start already then?
yeah, yeah. So basically we'll make bumpers in two halves,
Yep.
wrap them round your form, so that's a version of that, but not bent up.
Right.
So then we'll tap your sheet round your butt
Yep.
in two halves,
Ah.
then put them together.
Where the living
inside
daylights
that.
out of it.
Yeah, basically just sit it round there,
Yep.
cut it slightly bigger than your butt,
Yep.
tap it round for 2
Excellent.
hours, then
Nice.
put them
aren't they?
together, put
Yep.
it back in your butt, slice it down the middle, weld it together like we have done on rears. And you'll get something
Oh,
like that.
wow. Wow. That's really cool.
Got some shaping up to finish, but that's round about where we are.
That is spot on. Well, this is we haven't set this up. This is actually the first time I've seen this.
So that'll go there. And these I'll follow round the bottom, going up to there, and we'll make that fold over,
Yeah.
get that angle there, fold that into that,
Oh, mate,
solid line at bumper.
that is exactly what I've had in my head. It's just like you pulled it out out of my head. Really, really cool.
Then we'll back them. Once we've got shape perfect, we'll back all that,
Yeah.
weld all your holes up,
Yeah.
planish it all, sand it, form it,
Nice.
mount it to your pickup point. You're away.
I'm liking that very, very much.
So it's a long process, but
It's good, is that, mate? It
That'd be
looks
good.
really cool. Really good.
be good in end.
You,
So like each section at bumper is like 2 pieces.
Yeah.
So you've got to
because originally we were talking about doing it in. We were going to do it in tube, weren't we? We
Yeah.
were going to do it in like a
gonna
25 mil
then,
tube.
Yeah, then flat plate it. But
Yeah.
It,
That's-
you've still got to put your plate on top, and it's
So the front bumper is going to be the same thickness as the back as well.
yeah, both same. It
That
looks in proportion.
that yeah. I'm going to say that's really, really cool.
By the time
lot-
that's all sanded up.
A lot better than like say the big thick bumpers that we had. So
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah,
Yeah, tons.
yeah. It's cool, is that, mate? Really happy.
Cool.
And some of you might have noticed as well that the body's been sanded down as well.
Yeah, we blocked top body down, so we're gonna then put it in oven and bake it. So
Well, people don't know about this, you see,
yeah,
because all that anybody's aware of. Right, so we'll let you into a little secret now. So originally we came for just the bumpers doing, didn't we?
Yeah, and I wanted to paint it. So.
And Ben said, I want to paint this, I want to paint this. So we've sat down, we've discussed things, and they're going to be doing it for me. So Ben and the team are going to be painting the car as well, which is going to help us out because obviously we're not going to transport it backwards and forwards to different places. And like I say, the work that they do here is phenomenal anyway. So pleased with the bumpers so far. So yeah, brilliant, mate. Really happy with that. Really happy.
It's going to be a cool car when it's done.
Yeah, we won't tell them what colour yet though, will we?
No.
Right, well I'll get out of your way anyway, so you can basically see it taking shape already, can't you?
Yeah.
So that'll end up looking like that.
Yeah, after about 2 hours of tapping. And sit that back in bulk.
Yeah.
Slice that middle so you've got an even gap.
And then just weld it together.
Up. Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Then
That.
get your depth at back. And
Excellent.
yeah.
Right, buddy, I'll get out of your way. I was just going to say I'll get out your hair, but
Yeah,
we've
I ain't
got
got
on me
much
and
of
you,
that.
have we? So, right, bud.
Cool.
I'll catch you soon anyway, I'm sure.
So
Right, we're back from seeing Ben at Colab and the guys down there and how they're progressing with the build. Couldn't be any happier. What they've done is just taken what I've had in this little stupid head of mine and creating it in metal. I couldn't be more happy with it. Alex has been down to see Shane as well, and Shane's picked up the Alex has picked up the grill for me and Shane's welded it. So I only tacked the lights in, but now they're all welded in. Again, lovely job. Thanks very much for that, Shane. And I thought me and Alex had just been talking, and what we thought we'd do is we'd do a little bit of a different video, and we're just going to leave it at this point. It's freezing at the moment. It is really cold. Temperature's dropped. And what we want to do is just really take this time, since this is the 30th episode, just to thank everybody that's helped us. Like I say, Shane has always been there and helped us with welding and his fabrication. Ben and the team down at Colab for coming on board and wanting to be part of this project. We've got so many people have helped us along the way, along these 30 weeks that we've been doing this. So thank you to everybody. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort of scroll a few names up of people that have helped us, companies, including you guys as well, that have put comments down, liked, subscribed, shared, even messaged me about like that. It's been really humbling, to be totally honest with you. Me and Alex never thought we're nearly on 5,000 followers at the moment, or subscribers, which is, we never thought we'd get that, to be totally honest. We just started doing this and thought, see if anybody wants to watch it and come along with us for the journey. So thank you to everybody, like I say, that has took the time to watch this and comment whatever you've done. It really does cheer us up. Sometimes we don't feel like things are going right. We don't feel that the progress is as far along as we'd like it to be. We've got a vision in our head of what we want this to be, and hopefully you'll see that becoming more and more apparent over the next couple of weeks. So I'm just going to leave it there. Enough waffling from me. Like I say, wherever you are in the world, hope you have a fantastic week, and we'll see you next week.